In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your home screen wallpaper on your Android smartphone. As you can see, this is my home screen and this is my current wallpaper on this Android smartphone that I'm using. To change it, it's quite simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to change your home wallpaper on Android, just go to settings and from settings, go to display. Now under display, scroll down to font, and under font you should be able to see quite a number of options such as theme, wallpapers, ringtones, and the list is just long. Here you can see some of the recommended wallpapers that you can select, and to see all of them you can go to wallpapers here, and here you'll be able to see your current home screen wallpaper that you are using. As you can see, this is the current wallpaper that I'm using on this Android smartphone. Now here you can see we have quite a number of them that you can switch to. Go ahead and choose the one that you are comfortable or you prefer. If you don't want these pre-made wallpapers, you can add yours by just tapping on plus here, and this will allow you to access your phone and upload your own wallpaper from a gallery. However, if you want to choose from this, you can go ahead and choose the one you want. So for my case, I'll choose this one, and then I'll go ahead and tap on apply, and I have to choose whether I want to set this as lock screen or whether I want this as home screen or as both. For my case, I want this to be for both, so I'll just tap on both and this will be applied on my phone, and you can see this has been applied. So if I go back, now you can see my wallpaper has changed, and this will appear both on lock screen. So if I tap on lock screen, it will be the same, and also home, it will be the same. So that's how you can change your home wallpaper on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.